Hey everybody, it's a late night Saturday stream. Today we're going to be looking at setting up a quick Minecraft backup script and also checking our WorldGuard permissions. First, I want to give a quick shout out to SecDevOps AI. I'm going to go to YouTube and look it up. This is a channel you should go check out. He's been doing daily live streams, and they cover some good stuff. Everything from exploits to stuff like meditation and coding challenges. So, if you're into variety stuff, specific to security and development, good one to give a subscribe to. So today I have some quick goals, so I don't plan on spending a whole 4 hours streaming or anything like that. I really just want to get backups and WorldGuard set up on the server. So let's see. Let me first SSH into my server. So in the Minecraft, let me turn the music down. I still have it up. So in the Minecraft server, they have a config file, and then they have a config file for each plugin. So if you look at the Spigot plugin, I'm not sure if it's in this one, they have a backup command. Okay, so it's not that one, it's in plugins. I think WorldGuard? No, it's in Essentials. It's part of Essentials, the backup command. So if you go into the config, you can find backup, yeah. But the problem is, the backup command doesn't seem to work. There's a /backup command, and I'm not sure if this is the same thing. But this script doesn't seem to be working either. So I don't know if I have to turn it on or what. So I'm trying to figure that out. And if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna use my own script and just set up a cron job. But I'd like to figure out why this isn't working. So just to make sure it's not working, I'm gonna go check out that directory and make sure it's still empty. Yeah, I would expect the backups to be there, but they're not there. So where are they? Where are the backups? Well, those are backups I made. I made them by hand. Handcrafted backups. But that's not what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for these automated ones, and why that's not working. So let's try Essentials X backup command and figure out what I'm missing. Do I need to try? I checked the permissions. It's not a permissions problem. Well, let me try it actually. Let me just try running the command and making sure it works like I expect. And my user's in the right group, so I'll even... If you do it, you'll see it's all owned by Minecraft, and I'm in the Minecraft group. So if I run that rdiff backup command, it should back up the world. Interesting. Oh, it's not trying to do it over the net? Is it trying to do it over the network? Is that what's happening? I mean, that's what R is for in the rdiff, right? Remote. Rdiff help. It's rdiff backup. There's no... Oh, there's a man page? Okay. I thought it was a Python thing, so I didn't think there was one. So this is a remote one, but that shouldn't be a problem anyway. So what is the real problem? Oh, change mode not permitted? What is it trying to change them to? Why is it trying to change them? Is it trying to change them? It's trying to change them to match the permissions that they had initially. But they should all have the same permissions, so it shouldn't be a problem. So, yeah, like if I run it, permission, yeah, operation not permitted. Is that the operation? No, it's a change mode. It's having a problem. So, I mean, if I do sudo it, I shouldn't have any problem, right? That worked. It's in Minecraft backups, and world should now have the world data, and it does. LA shows me that, yeah, they all have the Minecraft permission 775. Like oh. Well, it created this RDiff backup directory under my username. So that could be one of the weird things. But why would it not work in the backup? If it's you, oh, well, you know what? The Minecraft user shouldn't even have SSH access. Let me try SU Minecraft. Oh, it doesn't even have a password. So I'm gonna have to do sudo SU Minecraft. And then what if I run the RDiff command? Oh, so there is a problem. You know what? It's that thing where when you create new directories, it needs to inherit the permissions from the parent directory. So Linux inherit parent directory permissions. How to set the file permission so that new files inherit the same permission. O plus W? No. That's G. That's the flag. That's the one I was looking for. The group ownership can be inherited by new files and folder by setting the set GID bit. Gmod G plus S. I am almost positive that will solve the problem. So I want to do that. The Gmod G plus S. G plus S on /op/Minecraft backups. Okay, I gotta do that one as sudo, as expected. So now, don't fat finger this one. Okay, yeah, remove the opt backups. You always want to double check and triple check before you hit enter on an rm-rf. Lest ye delete ye whole hard disk. Okay, so now... Oh, I didn't mean to delete the whole directory, dang it. I meant to delete everything inside of it. You see? There's no coming back from that one except just doing a make dir. But that's okay. But I will have to also rerun the Gmod, I think, G+S /opt Minecraft backups. But I also want to Gmod-R 775, the directory, sudo. I also want to sudo -r Minecraft, the directory, or the same directory. So now we should be able to go run that command with the Minecraft user again, and it shouldn't get mad at us. At least it shouldn't get as mad at us. Where is it? rdiff. Oh, almost got it. What? There it is. rdiff backup. And scroll back down, and I paste and run. And I did not get any errors, so let's list. Oh, it doesn't like my shell. List the Minecraft backups in the world, and it's all there. So let me go into the Minecraft backups, and I'm gonna remove the world, and then what do I want to do? I want to go into the game, and I want to run the backup command from the game to see if it'll work now that I fixed the permission problem. And it was a permission problem. I thought it wasn't, but it turns out it was the group, the set GID bit, so that the subdirectories that get created inherit the permissions of the parent one. So the root directory of the backups had permission, but it kept failing when it created subdirectories and tried to change the ownership, because those would default to, I guess, root, inheriting the parent, the higher up parent directory. But anyway, let's go see if this works now. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys what they did at the spawn. They created an incredible spawn. I didn't even ask these guys. Oh, this is Broken Neck Nano. He can't use his head in the VM. I'll show it in the other window. But let's see if that worked. Let's see if it finished running. Uh-oh. It didn't. Or did it? But it did a different kind of backup. Maybe it'll tell me when the backup is done. Yeah, something's weird about that backup command, because now I can actually run the backup command, and it's scheduled to run every 30 minutes, so maybe it will, but I don't know if that essentials, if the essentials backup is the same as the /backup, or if the /backup command is a vanilla command that does something different. So let's see what it says here. Assets, libraries, logs, saves. Contains your Minecraft worlds. Saves? Is that where it's going? No, I don't see one called saves. Yeah. I have a folder called backups, but it's not going in there. Maybe it's in the world directory? No, they wouldn't stick the backups in there. Okay, let's see how they suggest doing it. Manual backup. The one thing I have a question about too is whether or not... So, my understanding is the world state, the state of every single block in the world is stored in memory, and periodically it writes all that data to disk. So as long as I'm not copying the backup directory at the moment it's doing the write, then it's good. But I think there's a way to pause the writes so you're guaranteed that it doesn't try to do any file changes while you're doing a backup. And so I'm trying to figure out the best way to do it. I'm trying to figure out what this /backup Minecraft /backup command permission. If I look up the permission, it'll probably give me a clue about where it comes from. Brendan Garcia says hello. Welcome, Brendan Garcia. Welcome back to some more exciting Broken Neck Minecraft. It's hard mode. You can only look. Oh no! Oh, there's a crafting box down here. How convenient. Okay, yeah. So this is the backup. You need to configure 2 settings for the backup script to work. The interval and the command. Oh, well, I already did those. I'll go double check. So it's in the essentials config YAML. Uh-oh. I already have it open? Yeah, in this other window. So I've got the interval, and I have the command. And now the command should work. We fixed all the permissions, but it still didn't work. So maybe let me try. I want to make sure. Yeah, so I might need world. I might need this base directory. I might need to give it some help. Okay, let's give it one more try. And actually, I guess we could check the journal CTF. Or not journal CTF, it's journal CTL. And we say -u Minecraft to get the Minecraft specific logs. I might have to sudo. There we go. So maybe I can see why it's not backing up. There we go. We got some error messages. Very helpful. Cannot run program rdiff backup. No such file or directory. It was complaining about that. Look, automatic saving is now enabled. Backup finished. Okay, I think with that little bit of extra help, it's working. It wasn't doing like a make dir -p automatically. I had to at least have the base directory. What? No, it's empty. It's empty. Let me try it again. Why are you empty? It shouldn't be empty. Whoa, not the one I was looking for. I want sudo journal ctl -u Minecraft, and I want to figure out what time is it? 19? So that's the one I just ran. I mean, that's it. Okay, NanoDano issued backup. Backup started. Saving the game. Saved the game. Maybe I'm misunderstanding. Does backup just command save all? Wait, what? Now wait a second. Is the command... No, it says backup.bat, but here it looks like a Minecraft command. If you don't want to actually use a backup script, you can use Essentials Backup to force a regular save. There's no way to run arbitrary console commands, but if you use the following syntax, Essentials will do the normal force save all, but won't try to run any backup scripts. Okay, so it's just committing all of the memory to the disk. So it's... Let's see. So it looks like it worked and it ran and then it finished. And then there was an error. Maybe it didn't really finish. Yeah, so okay, cannot run program. No such file or directory. Which one? Which one is there no such? I mean, is that the wrong directory? No? That's it. And I ran the command. I verified that is the right command and it works. I ran it manually. And watch. I'll switch to the Minecraft user. And I'll run it. I set the G ID or whatever. I guess I got a little too hasty with my deleting. I mean, let's try the same thing. We'll do sudo gmod g+s on the world directory. Do I need to do a no, that should be fine. So if I go back to the Minecraft user and I run it again, but I just fixed the problem and ran it. It's there now. So is it working or is it not working? Let me try this. Remove, yeah, everything in the world directory. Oh, maybe it's that weird RDiff backup directory again. No. I'm gonna remove that too. Oh. Well, I'm not the Minecraft user. Let's try it again. So I'm gonna do sudo su Minecraft. And then I'm gonna paste in that command. It didn't, it says. Well, you know what, just because it errored out didn't mean it didn't do any of the work. It didn't mean it errored on the first line. It may have actually, I mean, it may have actually finished the whole copy. And it, wait, no, I need to go, for a second I thought I might have deleted the production world. Yeah, see, it ran. It just ran and it worked. It finished. So print working directory, yeah. Remove everything. So what happens if I go run backup again from the game? We'll do sudo journal ctl -u Minecraft journal ctl shift G, go to the bottom. Yeah, this is, it's kind of, oh, you know what it might be saying? It's saying that it can't find RDiff, not the directories. I keep thinking it's complaining about the directories, but the path for the Java must not be set up to do, or to have RDiff. So what if I do which RDiff and I gave it the full path? So then if I go back to the plugins and I update the plugin config for essentials, and I go to the backup and I give it the full command, like that. Will that help? And do I need to reload? Actually, the first thing I'm going to do is I have a script to back it up. I have a regular script to back it up. But it doesn't do like the make sure... It doesn't do the make sure the server pauses. It doesn't do any writes. It's kind of a dumb backup. A dummy dumb backup. It works. Barely. Well, I mean, I just don't trust it. I don't trust it. I feel like one day it's going to back it up in the middle of a write operation. It's going to have a corrupt world. So it's tarring everything up. I'm just making a backup before I go in and hose it. But I am going to show you the spawn. I'm going to show you what they did at the spawn. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so I guess I need reload. Wait. Are my tars done? Okay, my tars are done. Now, where did it back it up? Home Nano Dano. I'm okay with that. So what I was gonna do now was reload and then test the /backup again now that I think it might work better. And we'll keep an eye on the Minecraft backups folder. CD World. Okay, so we can do a watch ls and just see if anything pops up. And we'll go back here and we'll say backup. And we'll see if any stuff shows up. I'm not seeing any stuff show up. Okay, let's check the journal. Okay, now I gotta do journal CTO. Okay, at the end, it's still, yeah, even with the full path, okay, no such file or directory. Do I have a typo in one of these or something? No such file or directory. User bin ardif backup. This is starting to perplex me. Why does it think there's no such file or directory? I know that each one of these individually does. I mean, MINECRAFT. Yeah. Those are okay. Oh wait, here. Maybe more details. Let me shrink this text just a little bit. Essentials backup run, scheduler. Yeah, run, IO exception. No such file or directory. Okay, I'm going to... I'm kind of at a loss here, so I'm going to try making sure it can even run anything. So I'm going to go back into the config file for the plugin, the backup plugin. Essentials config. And under backup, I'm just changing this whole command. I'm going to say the command is just, so we'll do delete to single quote, and I think I undid it. Delete to single quote, and then I want to add, I don't know, echo hello. Can you do that for me? Or are you going to tell me that there's no file found? Let's find out. Up next. No, nothing. I think I might need to reload. Because I changed the config, I need to reload it. Reload complete. Let's try backup again. Okay. Cannot run program. Echo hello. No such file or directory. I think what it, like they showed here where you have backup.bat, it's like you have to give it a script in the root directory or something, because I mean I gave it the full path to the rdiff backup program and it didn't even like that. So let's try it. Let's make a script. Let's call it, well, I already have a backup one, so like let me just move my scripts backup server to here. It's got the +X backup server. Okay, let's try this again. We're gonna vim plugins essentials config backup, and we're just gonna give it backup server.shell, and then what I want to do here is a journal ctl-f uf, that way it'll tail the log. Okay, so now we can see the log in real time. I'm going to reload the config, and then I'm going to back up after it's done reloading. Okay, same error probably. Cannot run program, backup server, no such file or directory. And even if I give it a full one like I did last time, it's probably not going to work. So that one's really... So let's try vim. Backup, let's give it the full path. /opt Minecraft backup server. We'll go back to the game and then reload and back up. Loading 000 says hi. Well, hello. Hello and welcome. Do you play Minecraft? Do you program? Or do you do both? Let's see. Did the backup work? Oh my gosh, it ran! It actually ran, and it put all of the standard out in the log file, which is really awesome. But it's, where is it? Where the heck is it running from? Because it's like it can't find anything. Oh, well, I know what the problem is there. It's my script is using my my home directory, and when the Minecraft server runs it, it's running as the Minecraft server. So all I need to change here is the backup directory, and so I'm going to change that to opt Minecraft backups, and we'll call it AutoBackup. How's that? There we go. Okay. I feel pretty good about this now. I think this one will work. Give it a second to reload the config and pull in my new command. Reload complete. Back it up. Back it up. And it's working. Well, it's a slow script. That error can't remove. That's okay because it's the first time it's ever doing the backup, so there's nothing to delete. I wish you guys could see me doing the happy dance. Here, check this out. I can do a happy dance with my panda. Watch. What? Why is it? I can't do my dance. Oh, there it is. I have to hold shift. Oh yeah. Look at this. Happy dance. Yeah. Okay, it worked. It actually worked. Let's opt Minecraft backups. Wait. It didn't work? What's going on? It just looked like it worked. Let's go check the logs again. Do I have to take back my happy dance? This file is in the archive, not dumped. I think I need to fix up my script a little more because it's being weird. I think it put the backup LATR. Yeah, so it put it right here. It put the two files in the Minecraft root world directory. So that's not right. I need to fix that in the backup script. Opt Minecraft backups auto. Yeah, so let's actually make sure it exists. So if we do a make dir -p, -p will make sure it creates all the parent directories if it's multiple levels deep that doesn't exist. And then, yeah, this is all relative, so... And that's why it worked out, because it couldn't move to the directory it meant to. So we can say, like, we can check the error and say, if not 0, the error, the return code... Oh, geez, I'm gonna have to test that out. So you do like this. We'll do cd / something that doesn't exist. And then if we echo out... I want to do... Wait, is that right? Or is it the other way around? $? What's the error? Bash get error code of the last run command. Bash get error code last command. Alexander Vinogradov says, hey! And welcome. Welcome. Hello. Hey to you. So it's $? Okay, 1. Okay, I think that's a little better. So, let's try one. Oh, let's try one thing at a time. CD, and then if I try and say, like, did that work? And it says, nope. But if I do that, it should say 0. And so if I do... And then I do if not 0, the error code, then echo hi. I'll say error fee. Unknown condition, NZ. Okay, bash check not 0. Alexander Vinogradov says, I wanted to catch you live to say thank you very much for your videos. Well, awesome. Thank you for the thank you. You're welcome. I'm glad you like them. I'm glad you got to catch a live stream too. Here, I'll give you I'll give you a panda wave. Hey. Hey. I watched the Django one and PayPal video. Was really helpful for me to do my tasks for my client who I'm building an online shop. Awesome. I was wondering if anybody would actually go through them after the fact and watch. Because they're pretty slow, right? And it's a lot of me dealing with the BS of programming and troubleshooting for a long time. So I'm glad that people are finding use out of it. And I'm glad people are finding practical use out of it. You know, those are why I did those too, because they're not real glamorous, but they're real practical tasks. Vladimir says, Nazi. And to that I say, welcome. And it's actually interesting, I guess I'm doing it really late tonight in America, so it's probably 8 hours ahead, so it's probably like 10 a.m. in Russia. Is that why I'm seeing a bunch of like Russian and Slavic looking names? Privyet. I've been learning Russian actually. Как тебя зовут? Хорошо, хорошо. More Rust videos? I do plan on doing more Rust videos. I think I'm gonna do a Rust cookbook video where I just kind of build up more code snippets and references. So I wanted to see not zero. How do I check not zero? Well, I guess I could just check equal if it equals to 0, which is what I want, right? So I can say equal to 0. Will that work? Wait, what? Oh, I have to do 0 equal that. Bash. I hate bash scripting. It's so cryptic. Okay, so let me try one that does work. See, now that's not right. Oh, then there's no error. So how do I do an else? Else echo error? Okay, so let's try one that doesn't exist. Error. Try one that does exist. No error. Okay, so this is what I want. So let's go back to our script here. And actually what I want is something like this. You're Estonian. Awesome. You just woke up? Cool. It's nice to see, to meet some people across the ocean. You guys speak, you all speak English then, I guess. Okay, so echo, no error, echo error, okay. So if for some reason it fails to move into the directory, we can say echo error. Error could not move to, we'll say, go ahead and say could not cd to backup directory. Aborting. Aborting! Exit 1. So you can find error. And if it does, we'll just continue. So we'll say echo working out of, and then can I do like this? So now it'll print out the current working directory and just kind of confirm that it's in the directory we expect. So do you guys that are watching, do you program? Do you code? Well, I guess a couple of you do. You're asking about the Rust videos, and you said you watched the Django stuff. So that's cool. I really, really like Python. Python is really my favorite go-to language. and then it would be Go. Between those two, and then maybe Java when you need it, you can do pretty much anything you want to do. Okay, so I'm in the right backup directory. Now I can start doing the stuff that I need to do, like dumping my database. Okay, so now I want to delete this backup that's there. I also want to move out this build directory, and I'm going to move that to my home directory. That is the Spigot server build code. It's huge. It's a ton of disk space that's not needed except when I build the server. Alexander says, I do in Python only, but have no idea about Minecraft. So Minecraft plugins are all written in Java. Now, in Java, you have JRuby, because JRuby is all written on Java, right? So you can write plugins in Ruby, technically. You also have Jython. With Jython, I think you could technically write Minecraft plugins in Python. The Jython support, I think, is not very good. You can only run Python 2. And the latest release, yeah, final release, May 2015. But JRuby is kept up to date. Like, they keep it completely up to date with, yeah, Ruby 2.5. And JRuby is a really cool solution for a lot of things. Okay, so the backup works. I'm just kind of sorting it out and fixing it up now. LSLATR, our backup script server. Sivan Beatbox says, I am interested in Python Discord bots, but I missed the streams. Want to watch them when I have free time. Well, Sivan Beatbox, there are, if you want Python Discord bots, if you're looking for very beginner level stuff, I have written tutorials. So if you go to devdungeon.com/tags/discord, you can see I have a JavaScript Discord tutorial bot. I have a couple Python ones, and so they are written tutorials along with video. So those are probably your best bets before the long live streams that do some more advanced things. Vladimir says, I actually caught you play StarCraft 2. Are you saying you heard me say that I play StarCraft, or you actually saw me playing StarCraft on Twitch one night? Because I do stream StarCraft a tiny bit on Twitch. I did a couple nights. I mean, that's it. Come make custom bots on SC2 AI. We have Python and Go. You're making a Rust API. So what is this? Slight tangent time. This sounds familiar, and I am gonna have to check this out. Yeah, because I heard about this. You can write AI. I thought it was for Brood Wars, but they extended it to StarCraft 2. You know what I was looking into today was the file format for StarCraft 2 replays. I mentioned it in the Rust video. Oh, okay. Awesome. So, I do like StarCraft. Maybe we can play a game sometime. Alexander says, are you into crypto at all? Now, people have been using the word crypto to be short for cryptocurrency, and I don't like that use. But to me, crypto is short for cryptography, and if you're asking about cryptography, yeah, I mean, I'm into it to a decent degree. I'm not like hyper into it, but in my book I do go really deep into cryptography and Go. And as far as cryptocurrency, I mined Bitcoin for a while back in the day, and I accept crypto coin donations. Okay, hold on. I need to do one more thing. I need to get this backup tested, and so I'm gonna remove dir backups because I don't want that one there. And I guess I want to double check that the backup works. Minecraft backups, ls world, and there's nothing there. So if I come in here and I reload and I run, will it work? That's the real question. Savant Beatbox asks, how many years have you been programming? Well, professionally, I guess I started around 2008. Right now, I do still program professionally, but my job title is not programmer. My job title is application security architect. So I do a lot of security stuff. But I started programming a long time ago with QBasic. And I did QBasic back in like 1997. Making games. Making simple games. Oh! It worked! There it is, it's in the auto directory. And there's my... Oh, and perfect, my favorite song kicked on. Right as it worked. Yeah. Okay, so our backup is working, and actually, so I'm gonna remove these. Oops. I want to remove them because I want to verify that the auto backups work. It's set up to run every 30 minutes, so it should do the backup automatically every 30 minutes. And what I really should do is rotate the logs, rotate backups. I need to keep multiple backups instead of just overriding the same one, because if you just keep overriding the same backup, one corrupt world, and you only have one backup and you're kind of screwed. So you should keep multiple backups tagged by date, and you should also rotate them so you don't eat up all the disk space. You don't want to have a million backups, but like, let's see, if you do one every 30 minutes, that's kind of a lot. Maybe I'll do one like, I don't know, maybe I'll do like a regular one and like then like a daily one and just rotate the daily one or something. Vladimir says there's an API for replaying parsing in Python. That's awesome. I am gonna totally do a stream about the StarCraft API and that, so I'm gonna bookmark that. It's called SC2AI. Thank you for sharing that. I think that's really cool. And I'm gonna put that down on my list of things to do. Check that out. On stream, probably. Savant Beatbeck says, do you actually live stream from Ubuntu? And the answer is no. I'm actually in a virtual box. I'm in a VMware player box in Windows. I use Streamlabs OBS. There's a link in the video description to the streaming software I use. Alexander's saying, he's talking about crypto. Yeah, I'm talking about blockchain, and in terms of programming, I have a little dream about building an MMORPG game that would use cryptocurrencies as in-game currency. That'd be an interesting idea. I know some games are starting to tie real money to game stuff, like EVE Online. EVE Online, you can buy game time as an in-game item, and you can sell it in the game. But what's crazy about it is it's an in-game item that can get destroyed. So if you have a little transport ship that is carrying 1,000 plex and they blow you up, that $1,000 of credits is actually dead. Like the $1,000 you spent in real life is actually gone. Vladimir, you said, also did QBasic at that time? Yeah, that was a really good time to get started. So let's see, we knocked out one of the agendas. The backups are done and working. And where am I? Okay, I want to go into my backups directory. And ls auto, make sure it's empty, and I'm going to delete that, so... Okay. Savant Beatbox asks, do you do this Minecraft stuff for fun, or is it a freelance job? I'm doing it for fun, and it's, you know, it's my server in the sense that I'm paying for the virtual machine on DigitalOcean, and I'm putting in all the work, so it's just a community server to have fun and hang out and hack in. I think I need to relog in because I have the other game client open. But let me see. Okay. So this is... I don't know if I showed you guys this earlier. I'm gonna go back to the spawn. Look at what some of the people did today. I thought this was so awesome. I didn't even ask them to like do the logo or anything. They just went out and like dyed all the wool and made this. I think I can fly. I can fly, right? Double jump? Oh, maybe not. Well, yeah, so they made this logo. It's awesome. That's why I'm trying to add the WorldGuard and the backups, because they did such a good job. I want to at least back it up and try and WorldGuard just like this little circle, and that's it. So backups done. Let's see, what else was on the agenda? It was do the backups and add WorldGuard. And so WorldGuard is already installed. Where's my window? My WorldGuard, so if I do WorldGuard, what I need to do is create a specific region that's protected. And what I want to do is make it so nobody can destroy blocks or place blocks in that area unless they're in a specific group. So only people that we trust can mess with the spawn. And that way people don't just come in and start griefing the spawn as soon as they come in, but pretty much everything else is going to be fair game. I'm thinking about adding one of those /claim plugins so that you can kind of claim a little area. But I think the way it's set up right now is you can have homes and you can have multiple homes. So you can just run really far away and go dig yourself out a little house somewhere where nobody can find it and just set your home there. You just do /set home. Like if I do set home, desert home, then I can do homes and it lists my homes, and so I can say like home main, and it takes me to my cool little, hey, somebody cut up my mushroom. But yeah, this is my awesome little house. And so you can teleport between your house and the spawn. So you can go run around and build your house somewhere and then come back here using spawn. And, you know, do the social stuff. Maybe we'll set up some vendors in the village and stuff, but I mean, we're just getting started and there's no big master plan right now, so it's just kind of whatever happens and whatever evolves out of it. So LS Auto, I expect that to fill up in a few minutes, but that's okay. WorldGuard, so WorldGuard plugin. I need to figure out how this works. It's already installed, so what I want to figure out how to do is to set a region and make it protected to only a group. Okay, create zones that only permit mods or certain players. That's what I want. I'm about to leave the bucket. I want to stay in the bucket. Regions. WorldGuard lets you define named three-dimensional zones of various shapes called regions. Oh, so can I do a circle? Each world can have 0 or more regions, and each region may have owners, members, custom priorities, flags, and a parent region. Protect your spawn in other areas, create a shopping district, prevent players from doing PvP. Oh, that would be kind of cool. It'd be nice to like turn off PvP right in the spawn. Deny entry, set up hospital. Oh. That'd be kind of cool too. So like the spawn will be PvP free. The spawn will heal you up. And the spawn will be protected. So like the spawn will be the one safe haven in the whole place. I like that. That sounds cool. So let's we'll say set up WorldGuard to protect spawn. Allow only a certain group to modify and heal. And no PvP in the spawn. Okay. So how do we do it? Quick start. New to World Edit, you can read the quick start tutorial. Well, are we not literally in the quick start tutorial? Why is it linking us there? Okay. Regions can take the shape of cuboids. 2D polygons with heights. Can we make a circle though? If you try to use an unsupported shape such as a cylinder, WorldGuard will inform you of this. Alexander asks, would it be possible to blockchain money into Minecraft server and, for example, sell land, items, etc.? Sorry for the noob question. I haven't been keeping up with Minecraft. Well, the thing with the cryptocurrency money is that you need computers to do the mining, and that is the resource. That is the resource that people put in, right? So unless people actually mine it and have an interest in it, then it wouldn't have any value or anything at all. So like, you'd have to say, okay, with Dev Dungeon coin, you can buy diamonds on my Minecraft server. And then they go, oh well, I want some Dev Dungeon coin because I want to buy diamonds. And they go, okay, well, what do I have to do? I have to mine Dev Dungeon coin with my CPU or GPU. Well, okay, I'll run that. I'll run that program to mine those coins, and so people would have to have an interest in it, and so I think that's what it would require with my relatively limited understanding of everything. And how do people find your server? Do I advertise it? No, I haven't been advertising it at all. The only advertising I've done is these live streams. And I don't even advertise them, I just do them. And I guess people find them and show up and they're like, oh, this looks neat. So I've only got a couple people, like there's only a handful of people, but there's a few regulars that have been playing. And I've only been doing this for like a week. And I don't only do the Minecraft stuff, so it's all brand new and fresh. And I'm still setting up kind of the core structure of the server. Maybe once it gets big. But you can also do tokens with Ethereum. So you're right, Alexander, if you were saying like, could I accept Bitcoin as payment for diamonds on the server? Yeah, you can totally do that if you want to. There's no reason you couldn't set up a wallet and accept payment to the wallet, and you could tie wallets to users, I guess, if you had to. I think really what you would do is you'd create a wallet and you would watch it. And anytime you got money in from the wallet, you would check the transaction and you would check like the the message that was attached to it, and that would contain the information like the username and all that. Okay, so how do I do this again? RG add member. Oh, okay. That seems pretty easy. Region define. All regions must have a name, and names must be unique. Case insensitive. Create a region with /region define. Okay, well, if I create a region, how do I specify, like, how big it is? If I just do /region define spawn, does it create, like, a default size square? Is it gonna prompt me? Wait, maybe I should go to the quick start tutorial from the quick start page. That is proof of work. Okay, so Vladimir is saying that is proof of work, but you can have a crypto coin that's not mined at all. Crypto coin means it's on a decentralized linked list, which has downfalls too. Okay, so you're essentially just using the blockchain without the proof of work. I get it. Okay, so you can separate those two. I am your NR1 supporter now, haha. If I can help you somehow, let me know. Awesome. Well, let's see. Just come hang out on the Discord, really. I mean, if you really just want to do anything and participate, just come hang out on the Discord and chat. You know, we'll figure out what projects are going on. But if you like Minecraft too, come join and play. But you can go to devdungeon.com and click on the join me on Discord button right after you buy the book. Just kidding. You don't have to buy the book to join the Discord. So let's just try it. I should have a backup. Let me check on the backups. Has it been 30 minutes and has an automatic backup happened? No. That's okay. Let's kick one off manually. Let's open my Minecraft window and say backup and bask in the glorious backupness that we set up. So, you know, Alexander, your question has me curious now, and I wonder if somebody has already gone down that route of Bitcoin Minecraft. So I'm gonna do a quick Google search and kind of see what pops up. Like, have people made plugins for this already, and what do they do? What kind of ideas have they come up with? So this is just a server. This is, okay, yeah, this is a server that just uses the standard. Okay, so here's a server that basically uses that as their currency. No, skip this one. Oh, I guess here's a list of some servers. How to teach kids about Bitcoin. Minecraft is the answer. There's a new Bitcoin game in town and it's helping children to understand how Bitcoin work. PlayMC launched a new Bitconomy integrated in its Minecraft server. Shoot. If I integrated Bitcoin to my server, would I get an article on 99 Bitcoins? I want an article on 99 Bitcoins. Look at this guy. He looks super elite. Just kidding. That guy looked cool, right? Okay, so here's a plugin. Tested on 113. There's a official donut. Okay, let's see. Vladimir says, there were servers that shared crypto for playing, but they all failed. MC Next was the biggest. Yeah, so it looked like that Play MC server didn't do too well. Are they still around? Players, 0 out of 2,000. If you have a server that can hold 2,000 people, you got a beefy server. They probably spend some real money running that, and to have 0 people playing. Maybe that's just a bad read. Maybe there really are people playing. I don't know, but who knows? Maybe it's not even around anymore. Okay, so this person wrote a plugin that does Bitcoin stuff. Oh, I'm sorry. I still have the Minecraft screen up, and I'm dead. I was slain by... Hold on. Hold on. I wasn't even paying attention. I died. Well, whatever. As long as I don't die and get blown up on the spawn and destroy the beautiful spawn. Okay. So let's see. Well, I don't want to get too far down the road here, but that is interesting. I think I'll bookmark this, maybe give it a look. Maybe I can use this. What's his... He doesn't have a license. There's no license on this. So, technically, when there's no license, it means the author is not giving you permission to use it. Well, I guess technically you're not allowed to release it, or you're not allowed to use it at all. I'm actually not sure. But with no license, it defaults to copyright by the author, and you're not supposed to use it. But I guess that's also talking about United States copyright laws. But I do live in the United States. Okay, enough of the Bitcoin searching. Back to the WorldGuard. Back to the WorldGuard. Okay, now I wanted to go back and I wanted to do... Okay, so I did a backup. I want to make sure that the server actually backed up. LS Minecraft backups auto. And it surely did. So now let's pop open the MC. And what is it? RG create, RG define town, or RG define whatever. So I want to go right into the center. I'm going to say RG define I don't want to call it spawn because I'm afraid it might conflict with like the spawn and the homes. So I'm gonna call it town center because maybe we'll put up a town around it. RG define town center. Please select an area first. Okay, so that's what I need to do. Okay. Oh man, I'm about to die, aren't I? I didn't think I was gonna die because that phantom just dove in and poked me in the face. I thought I was gonna die because I only had one little health bar. But that works. Okay, time noon. And RG define town center, and then it gives me the help message that says please select an area first, use world edit to make a selection. Oh, I get it now. So this is the WorldGuard quick start, and they're sending me to the world edit quick start. That's why I was a little confused. First things first, want to see selection lines. Yes, that is what I want to do. Thank you. So I've never used world edit. And Alexander says there's one really cool project that is decentraland.org. I hope it will work out. It's not really related to Minecraft, but worth a check. I joined your Discord. Awesome. Hello. And welcome. And he says, sorry for distracting you. People who are watching the video, not live, are probably really upset. No, man, this is what it's all about. This is what makes the live streaming fun. is that there are people to chat with. And you guys give me suggestions, and I learn. I learn from you guys learn from me, we all have a good time. And surely the people watching are interested in some of this other stuff, because I'm sure we all share a lot of similar interests. So let's see, WorldGuard. If you're using Bucket, you need the permissions. I've already got it. I got it. To see the selection lines, you need to install World Edit CUI. Okay, well, I'm not going to do that right now. I can get away with not looking, but what I want to do is... Okay, making selection. A cuboid is like a 3D rectangle, and you select a region. Okay, that makes sense. How do you choose 2 points? Left and right click while holding a wooden axe. Use /wand to get an axe. Okay, this is sounding vaguely familiar because I did this a long time ago. Oh, there it is. Okay. Left click to select position 1. I'll do position 1, like right here. And then I'll do position 2, like over here. It seems like a decent area. Okay. Stand somewhere and type pause 1 and pause 2. Look at a block. No, I just want to say take my square and make it tall. Make it go all the way up to the sky and all the way down. Oh, well, I guess, okay, so I've made the selection, and here it's saying regions can take 2 shapes, cuboids or 2D polygons with a height. Okay, so I want the 2D polygons with the heights. So I need to set my height. Look at a block and type HPOS1 and HPOS2. Oh, these are different options. These are all different options. Then go to the next section. Doing things with the selection. Setting it all. No. Oh man, this world edit is going to be a lot of fun to play with. Replace, clear the area, generate an interesting shape. Adjusting, there we go. Make a cuboid 10 blocks taller. Okay. Okay. Got it. Now I want to do expand like a million up and a bajillion down. Oh, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting that I'm leaving this Minecraft window open and blocking the screen. So sorry. But I'm going back to the Minecraft window now. Okay, now I've got this, so I'm going to say expand 100 up. Now // is that what I actually have to do? // I guess I do. Expand 100 up. / expand 1000 down. / region define town center. This region is now protected. Oh no! Well, oh, right as the spider comes at me. You can't hurt the spawn. Is anybody around? Somebody should come and try and destroy the spawn, see if they can do it. Okay, cool. So now I can list the regions. I think I'm done there. I think I did what I wanted. Now, if I want to add groups... Oh, let me turn the window off. If I want to add groups, I just do RG, you know, add member, add owner. So what I think I'll do is not give it group permissions, but I'll just have a few trusted people that will work on the spawn, and I will just add them as members to the region, and then just let them work on. Okay, awesome. Well, I'm done. Well, no, hold on. I wanted to say no PvP. I wanted to heal. Okay, so that one's done. We can call that one done. And these are still open. Still in progress. Okay. We can say fix backup. Fix automated backup script. So we did that. These two are still open items. And we've got heal and no PvP. So how do we do that? Flags. RG flag. And that's it. Boom. Booyah. So that's RG flag and then the region name and say PvP deny. Okay, flags. List of flags. Here we go. Wait, where are they? Here we go. So there's PvP. Now, what about the heal? Mobs, fires, and explosions. Natural events. Movement. Oh! Notify enter and notify leave? Yeah, those are gonna be awesome. That way you can tell people like, hey, you just left the protected spawn area. Now you can edit the world, but people can kill you. Wait, what's the difference between greeting and farewell and notify enter? Whether players with the WorldGuard notification permission are notified when players... Okay, so that's like an admin specific thing. This is what I want, greeting and farewell. The message that appears upon entering and the message that appears upon leaving. Okay, I want the greeting, the farewell. I want the flag for PvP deny. And I wanted the heal. Map making. Heal. Heal amount. The amount of half hearts to heal the player at the rate of heal delay. Okay. So I'm going to want heal delay and heal amount. And it's in seconds. Number of seconds between heal. 1 second. Heal amount. The amount of half hearts to heal. Sure, we'll give you 1 half heart every second when you're in the spawn with PvP deny, and we want a greeting that says you have entered the spawn safe zone. You cannot PvP or modify the world at the spawn. Farewell will say you have left the spawn safe zone. PvP is now enabled, and you may modify the world. Okay, so those are all the flags that I want to add. Now if I go back into my Minecraft window, I should be able to just start adding these. So I say RG, what is the command? Oh, /region. So /region. What does this helper text say? Oops. /region flag. I called it town center. PvP deny. Region flag PvP set to deny. Okay, so that looks like it worked. If I do up, then I can just turn off a different flag or change them. Okay, so I want flag town center, heal delay 1, and heal amount 1. Then I want region, flag, town center, greeting. And I'm gonna paste in this. I'm gonna paste in this greeting. Excellent. Now I'm gonna paste in the farewell. Region, town center, flag, is that right? Region, oh no, it's region flag. Region flag, town center. And then I want to set farewell, and I want to paste, did I do it twice? No, farewell, okay, yo. So now I'm going to try it out. Boom, there, I just tried it out and I got the message. It says you have entered the spawn safe zone. You cannot PvP or modify. So I wonder if I disconnect and I reconnect, if I'll get the message on join. No. I don't get it on join, but that's okay. But when I leave, you have left, you have joined, you have left, you have entered. Wait, I'm hurt. I need to run to the spawn and get healed. And there it is, I'm getting healed. Now, even if I AFK here... No, actually, this spider is still gonna kick my ass. Oh, now he wants to be friendly. Okay, you wanna be friendly? You're a cute little spider. I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you with my hand. Oh no, he's biting me. I'm just trying to pet you with my hand. Okay. Well, I guess some of you might find some satisfaction in watching me die, so maybe I'll leave it on for a second. Hey, what? Go away. Okay. I think we're done. Done there. We now allow the heal, allow no PvP. Spawn is now protected. Okay. I can defer these till later. I don't need to do those right now. Okay, so these are set, and our WorldGuard stuff is all done. And I'm gonna save those for. So I did the automated backup. I'd like to see. Yeah, it doesn't look like the automatic one has worked yet. Or gone finished, at least. Okay. So that accomplishes everything I wanted to accomplish. How long has it been? An hour and a half? So it took me about an hour to... Let me see, I'm going to put the Minecraft back up for a minute. So... Let me make it bigger in this direction. Okay. So is there anybody on? No, there's nobody without... There's nobody with low privileges to test it out, but I feel pretty confident that the region worked. So if I do like regions... oh geez, a region list. Region info, town center. Oh nice, I get all the details. It tells me all the owners, all the members. Oops. And the type, the info, all of the flags. Okay, so that's cool. We've got a nice solid spawn region. And I don't know, maybe some of you guys just joined, but some of these guys today made this logo out of wool at the spawn. and it's surrounded with all these flowers, so it's amazing what they did. And now it's protected, so it won't get griefed or destroyed. Wait. Oh, okay, there we go. And now it tells me I left. You've left the spawn. You entered the spawn. Good. Okay. Cool. So let's see, what else? Did I have anything else that I wanted to do that might be good tonight? Maybe I'll just play with World Edit a little bit. So, World Edit seems to have some cool features. World Edit Minecraft. World Edit is an easy-to-use in-game world editor for Minecraft. Supporting both single-player and multiplayer, lets you change thousands of blocks in an area, use over 100 functions to modify the world or remove problems, remove large chunks of land as you wish, sculpt the world and build Oh, you know what I did want to do? So there's a command that I found in... Here, let me resize this. There's a command that I found called Big Tree. And I thought it would be kind of cool to have like a world tree. And just have a big, massive tree. And so I wanted to try out this. Yeah, there's a command called Big Tree. And I'm assuming it just makes a big tree. Big Tree, Dark Oak. That's not really a big tree. Who are you? Go away. Can I fly? Okay. So, World Edit. Oh, look at that spawn. That looks so good. That's so awesome. So, World Edit. I was gonna try it out. Oh, there's my house. This is the house I built into the mushroom. So let's try some World Edit on my house. So I think I can do wand / wand. And then I can select one area. And then select the second area, like down here. I'm not sure if it picked up that first position or not. So we'll say expand up 20, expand, let's say expand 20 up, expand 20 down, and then I can do World Edit, and I guess these are some of the commands I can do. And you can mouse scroll through them. So fill, forest, gen biome, hollow. Wait. What did it do? Clear? Oh! I typed /clear and it cleared all my inventory items. That's totally what I wanted it to do. Okay. What I wanted to... yeah, quick start. It gave me a couple useful things. Yeah, okay. Playing with brushes. Now here they are. /set Minecraft Bedrock. Okay, so I can just set it to be solid blocks. I can set it to different kinds of blocks. Wait. Minecraft brick. Wait, that didn't work. Sand. Hey, there's my doors. Okay, so what else can you do? Oh, replace. Sand. Oh, you can swap out one thing for another. You can tell it to do a couple. Oh, you can tell it to mix things together. Generate an interesting shape. No, I'm not going to do that. But I do want to try /BR Sphere Stone 5. Oops. Let me try that one again. Oh, I guess I need an item. BR Sphere Stone 5. Sphere brush. Oh, so it basically applies the brush to whatever item I have. And I can swap between. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I'm gonna have to mine my way out of here. It actually put me in the frickin' circle. Now that's not nice. I mean, I guess it makes it at whatever I'm pointing at. So I shouldn't have done it so close like that. People are gonna come over here and be like, what are these? Did aliens make these? Look at this forest. Look at that water. Look at this world we have. Okay. Well, I think that's enough of that. Alright. Well, I had a good time. I'm gonna wrap it up now. And just to kind of recap, what we did was set up the backups. So now we've got automatic backups going. And if we look in there, our backups are running. And we world guarded the spawn, so the spawn is nice and protected now. So, I appreciate all of you who came and hung out and chatted and said hi. You should subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and check out the Discord. Come to Dev Dungeon Discord, and if you want to play on the Minecraft server, it's minecraft.devdungeon.com. That's the host for the Minecraft server. So tune in next time. Have a good night.